If your phone takes forever to load YouTube, scroll Facebook, or download even small apps, this one setting can instantly change everything. Most people never touch this, but once you fix it, your internet can feel 2 times, even 10 times faster. And the best part? You don't need third-party apps or tech skills. Watch closely. Here's the truth. Slow internet isn't always your provider's fault. 70% of the time, it's caused by your phone's default settings. Outdated DNS, overloaded servers, or APN settings that aren't optimized for speed. And before you think, my phone is old, it's usually not the phone. It's the settings your phone picks automatically, and they're rarely the fastest. So today, I'll show you proven methods that helped over 10,000 plus viewers boost their speed. Some even getting 10 times improvement. First, we fix Wi-Fi. Your phone uses a slow, crowded DNS by default. Switching to Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS instantly speeds up browsing. Step 1. Fix your Wi-Fi with fast DNS. Biggest boost. Step 1. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi. Step 2. Tap the gear icon next to your network. Step 3. Go to Advanced Settings. Step 4. Change IP settings, static. Step 5. Enter Google DNS Stop. Make sure you type both DNS1 and DNS2 or it won't work. Step 2. Restart plus speed test and see the difference. Restart your phone and run a speed test. You should now see a big jump. Many viewers report 2 times, 3 times, even 10 times faster speeds, especially on crowded Wi-Fi networks. Step 3. Fix mobile data. APN speed trick. Now let's fix your mobile data. This is where most people see major improvement. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Search APN. 3. Tap your SIM's access point name. 4. Scroll to Authentication type. 5. Test these. PAP CHAP. None. Whichever gives you the fastest result, keep it. For most users, PAP gives a big boost. Don't skip this. Step 3 alone fixes slow 4G/5G for thousands. Here's the result after applying all steps. Download speed jumped from 9 megabits per second to 90 plus megabits per second. Apps open instantly. Videos load instantly. Your phone feels brand new. If you want even better results, these are the tools I personally use. TP-Link Wi-Fi extender for dead spots. Anchor 521 nano charger for stable power. GL.iNet travel router for secure, fast internet anywhere. Links are below. They support the channel and cost you nothing extra. If this helped your phone speed up, hit subscribe so you never struggle with slow tech again. Comment fast if your internet improved. I reply to the first 50 people. And watch this next video. It fixes the other hidden setting slowing down your phone.